Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Bindu. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to review guys two products from Lotus Botanicals from their vitamin C range. So I bought these products and tested on myself. So the first thing is first, what is vitamin C? So vitamin C is an antioxidant which will go on and prevent forming of free radicals on your skin, which will prevent breakdown of collagen of your skin and elasticity of your skin. So what are the benefits of vitamin C to your skin? So vitamin C helps in fading out pigmentation, also helps in fading out your dark spots, also treats acne and also boosts collagen of your skin and also elasticity of your skin, and also it brightens up your skin and gives that beautiful glow on your skin. And also it protects your skin from harmful sun damages and UV rays. And when to use vitamin C in your skincare routine, I preferably like to use vitamin C in my morning skincare routine. So guys, that's it about vitamin C. Let's get started with the products. So I bought two products from Lotus Botanicals from their vitamin C range. So talking about the Lotus Botanicals as a brand, it's an Indian brand and all the products are made in India, and also it's a vegan and cruelty free brand, and all the products are certified too. Talking about the products, I bought these two products from Lotus Botanicals. This is how it looks like. Let's start talking about this. So guys, the first product I want to talk about is this Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Face Serum. So this is how it looks like. It's an outer packaging. It's completely filled with the information about the brand, about the product, and about the vitamin C for your skin. So talking about the product packaging, the product is in a very sturdy dark green bottle. It's a glass bottle and it's a very sturdy and very hard, and it has a pump kind of packaging which I absolutely love it. Talking about the product, it says that Lotus Vitamin C Skin Brightening Face Serum. This is how it looks like, and it has no preservatives, no toxic chemicals. It's a 30 grams product and it retails for rupees 745. So guys, let me show you how the actual product looks like. So I'm going to take two pumps on my hand. So the serum is white in color and it has a thin gel kind of texture. As I start blending on my skin, this is how it looks like. It blends really smoothly on the skin and it gives a beautiful glow on the skin, as you can see. And also it has very calming kind of fragrance, so you need to keep that in your mind. So guys, let me show you on my skin how it looks like. So I'm going to take 3 pumps, 2 to 3 pumps on my hand, and also I'm going to apply in a section form. So I'm just going to apply, not going to massage, just going to apply on my skin. This product actually gives a really good glow on your skin. So I have oily acne prone skin, and also it is suitable for every skin type, and it has a beautiful finish which really absorbs into the skin really quickly. You can feel tad bit of the product on your skin, but still it's kind of a semi matte finish, and also it is not a greasy formulation, which I really love, and also it's very lightweight on the skin. You doesn't feel actually you're putting any product on your skin. You can actually feel the hydration on your skin, but still it's very light on the skin. So guys, my final conclusion about the product is it's very lightweight, glides very smoothly on the skin, absorbs really quickly, doesn't give any greasy finish on the skin, and also it gives a beautiful glow on the skin and also brightens up your skin, and it hydrates your skin, and also it's suitable for every skin type. So guys, that's it about vitamin C serum. So let's get quickly jump into the second product, which is Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Face Moisturizer. This is how it looks like. It has SPF 20 PA++, and also it's suitable for every skin type, and it's silicone free, and also it's anti-pollution, and also it's non-comedogenic. So both the products are non-comedogenic. So if you're someone who have oily acne prone skin, you can totally go ahead and give this a try, because it's not going to clog into your pores. So the actual product looks like this. It's a very similar product packaging to the serum. Talking about the packaging, it's in a dark green sturdy glass bottle, and also it has a pump kind of packaging. Talking about the product, it is a face moisturizer which has SPF 20 PA+++. Actually, this product is a vitamin C face moisturizer with SPF in it. Talking about the quantity, it's on 45 gram of the product and it retails for rupees 545. So guys, let me show you how the product looks like. Let me swatch it out for you. This is how it looks like. It has a thin creamy consistency and also it has a tad bit of a white cast to it. So guys, I'm going to take 2 pumps for my face. So as you can see, I'm blending this moisturizer into my skin, and it kind of gives a white cast on the skin for sure because it has SPF 20 in it, and it's okay, like sunscreen have white cast, it's not a big deal. But then as you apply and leave it on your skin, it will just the white cast will go away. As you can see, the most of the white cast has been disappear from my skin, and also it gives a glow, and also it's very lightweight on the skin, and also doesn't give any greasy finish on the skin. It kind of gives semi matte finish on the skin. It's not heavy on the skin. You can actually doesn't feel the product on your skin, and also it is suitable for every skin type. So guys, my final opinion about this product is that it's very lightweight on the skin, absorbs really quickly, and also it brightens up your skin and also gives that beautiful glow on the skin, as you can see. And also it is suitable for every skin type, and also it has SPF 20, which also protects your skin from harmful sun and UV damages. So guys, that's it about these 2 vitamin C products from Lotus Botanicals. I'll leave all the product details, brands, website, buying links, everything in the description box. You can totally go ahead and check them out. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.